Hi everyone, this is Rebeka from MileageWise. Today, I'll show you how to use the car Bluetooth monitoring recording option to effortlessly track your trips. To get started, go to the Settings menu, tap on the recording options, select Car Bluetooth Monitoring, and press Start to activate it. Make sure you're inside your vehicle with the ignition turned on during this setup. The next step is to pair your phone with your car's Bluetooth system. You can do this with the plus button in the right lower corner of the screen. If you're connected, choose your car's Bluetooth system on this screen. Once the initial setup is done, the app will automatically connect to your car's Bluetooth every time you get in, so there's no need to start or stop the recording manually. When you disconnect from your car's Bluetooth, for example when you switch off the engine, the app will automatically log your arrival. These arrival points will create your daily route seamlessly in the background with no manual work required. This is also the only recording option that can automatically recognize which vehicle you're in, making it the perfect choice if you use multiple vehicles. You also have several options to personalize your experience. In the Set Recording parameters, you can set the Safe Client Recognition distance. Set the distance range to determine how close you usually park to your destinations. If you stop within this range, the app will recognize and log the nearest saved location. In the Set Auto Recording Time Period menu, you can set specific time periods when the app should automatically log your trips. For example, you could configure your work hours for automatic recording. If you tap on the Set Default Trip Purpose, you can choose a default trip purpose to auto-classify your trips to new clients and locations. This saves time and minimizes editing later. On the top of the screen, you have an auto recording toggle. If you need to pause automatic recording, simply use the toggle switch. You can also set a time for the app to automatically turn recording back on. Your trips will automatically appear in the Trips menu. Here, you can edit or modify entries as needed. When you're ready to generate a report, tap on the printer icon in the monthly summarizer. Our built-in IRS auditor will check for and correct any discrepancies, ensuring your mileage log is 100% IRS-proof. Tap on this button to generate your report. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. For more insights, visit our blog and help center. See you next time!